Good day to you. Welcome to mrdannylim.blogspot.sg. Today we will be discussing some PSLE math questions for 2019. Now there are many comments, many conversations that's going around online about the difficult questions. Before I begin, I want to make 2 points, okay, two reflections that I have. The first reflection is that being a parent, I totally understand some parents, their reaction to all these questions. Now for parents, there's no need to fear. Now PSLE is here to test the students or test our children, not beyond the syllabus. Okay, it is well within the syllabus, and they should have tackled some related type of questions before. So they are actually not questions that they have not seen before. Okay, there must be some application that we are missing out if they really do not know what to do. Okay, but as we are parents, we are not going to school every day, so we do not know what are they exposed to. Now most students are exposed to the many methods that are being taught in school for math. Okay, then this is the first reflection that I have. Now the second reflection that I have is that now as a person who looks at the question, now I'm a tutor, I give tuition, and I'm also a parent. So as a tutor, because of my MOE background, right, I taught in schools before. So when I look at the question, the first thing I would think is that, what is the exam setter trying to test? Okay, what is the specific thing that he or she is trying to extract out from the student? What kind of understanding is he looking for? Now it is important, because if we know what is the examiner is looking for, then we will tackle it from that perspective, or take that direction. Then we will not go too far away from the answer. Now the second level of analysis is from the student's point of view. It is not easy, especially like for me, I'm a tutor, I got a lot of methods in my head. Now I have to minus out all the methods and use the only available methods to me for primary school. Now we are taking a PSLE exam, so it must be a primary school level type of tools that we have. So we can only use the tools that are being taught to us or taught in school to solve the questions. Okay, so if you look at it from that point of view, the questions shouldn't be too difficult to solve. Okay, it's always revolving around that few. Okay, either model drawing or unitary method, branching method, that few methods only. Okay, now today I'm going to look at the questions that are being discussed online. Now actually they are not difficult to solve. You just need to take a different perspective. Okay, now without further ado, let's move on to the first question. 5 identical semicircles are arranged as below. Find the diameter of one circle. Now, very important, as we read the question, we want to highlight the information. Okay, now there are 5, it's drawn for you 5, but the key word here is identical. Identical means what? Identical means they're all the same. So all the diameters are the same. Now once you have that, this question will be very easy to solve. Okay, let me illustrate to you how easy it is. Okay, now when we look at the 5 semicircles, of course it's complicated. Okay, so for me, as I always teach my students, can we reduce it to 1? Can we reduce it to 2 circles? Can we cut it off? Can we plus all together? Can we minus all together? There's a lot of process going on. Okay, once you look at the question. Okay, for this, we look at 2 semicircles first. Now we know that this side is 22, is given to us is 22. Am I right? Now this is the question mark. We don't know this question mark. We don't know. Now if 22 plus question mark, part whole, part whole, the diameter is the whole. So part plus part will give me the diameter. Now since this is the same, that means this must be 22 also. Because 22 plus question mark is equals to 22 plus question mark, because this is the same part here. So once you get this, it's very easy to solve. It means what? It means that here is 22. Correct? Now then your first part will be 22 minus 12 will give you 10. Because this part is 22 minus away 12, this part is 10. Okay? Now, then the same is the same goes for here. If this part is 22, that means this part is also 22. Now if this part is 22, and this part must be 10 again, because 22 minus 12 will give you 10 again. Then 10 plus 16 plus 10 will give you 36. Now, this is the solution. So it is not as difficult as most of us think, like we need to shift here, shift there. There's no need. I use only one method that is being taught in P1, okay, which is the part-whole method. Now, of course, the part-whole method you need also to understand circles, okay, which is taught in the later years, okay, which then you can find the diameter. The diameter is 36 for one circle. That's all. So it's not difficult to solve this question. Okay, now to check this answer, okay, let's go further a bit to check. Now, if the diameter is 36, then let's plug in this number. Okay, let's plug in this number. 36 minus 22 will give me 14. 22 minus 14, 22 minus 36 minus 22 will give you 14. Then this one, 14 plus 12 plus 10, does it give you to 36? Yes, it gives you 36 again. Then here is 36. Here, we know that this is also 14. So 22 plus 14 is 36. 22 plus 14 is 36. So this is my checking. So after that, confirm, this is 36. Okay, that's all for this question. It's not so difficult. Okay, so whenever you look at questions, first of all, we must understand the tools that are given to us as students. Okay, we take the perspective of students and use those tools to solve the question. This one, don't need model, no need any other advanced method. It's just minus plus only. Okay, if I have time, I'm going to show you another question tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this very simple video. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead. Bye.